Okay, are we ready to start? Let's start. Hello, Celtic Beauties. I'm Jennifer. And if you are watching this video, that means that you're patiently awaiting for your hair serum to arrive in the mail. This video is going to teach you how to use the product and how to get the best results. So the first thing, let's show you what it looks like. Comes in a little 1 ounce bottle there, Rapunzel's Revenge. And it is a dark, thicker liquid. It is an oil. And when you smell it, it smells like, it smells more like something you'd find in the kitchen as opposed into the bathroom. Most synthetically sweet products that you find down the shampoo aisle of your, the drugstore, those are all synthetic, and it's water and chemicals. And, but it's kind of what we do. We kind of open the product and we sniff it and see what it smells like. I'm going to be honest with you, this was an acquired taste for me because I was so used to using my favorite shampoo, which I no longer use anymore after I found out what was in it. So I wasn't used to using earthy scented products on my scalp, but now I'm used to it now because it's been so many months that I've used it. But if you smell this and you say, that smells kind of earthy, what I want to teach you is you can use any one of your own essential oils. Lemongrass is a great one. Once you put on your hair oil, then your scalp oil, I should say, you can come in with your essential oil, do the same motions with it, and it will take the scent away. That's if it bothers you. It doesn't bother everybody, but just want to let you know, if you're getting this and you're in the American market, you're used to sickly sweet fruity products, this doesn't smell like that. So let's get into first how to use it. What you're going to do is every night, you're going to take 4 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, on your fingertips, and you're going to warm them up like this. And you're going to start at the side here, and you are going to do little vigorous circles on your scalp, rubbing it into the scalp. This is a scalp product. It's not a hair product, even though you kind of hear me talking about hair. It's really to moisturize, hydrate the scalp, because if your scalp is not in good condition, you're not going to grow good hair. Good hair and hair growth comes from having a healthy scalp. So don't take this product and douse your ends in it. You're not going to like it. So then you're going to take 4 more drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to do the same motion starting from the base of the neck, the back of the scalp, just kind of working up. Little small circles. And making sure that your scalp is covered like that. Now, it's nighttime, so you can do a couple of things. You can take your hair and you can put it in a silk bonnet and sleep in it overnight, like this. Or you can let it out, but you want to make sure and put a towel on your pillowcase so it doesn't stain your pillowcase. So that's how to physically use it. Now, what I want to talk to you about next are supplements. Now, we all know that, our diets are not perfect. Okay, mine's not perfect. But there are certain supplements that you can take that will help to accelerate your, the health of your skin, the health of your hair, the health of your nails. And those 3 supplements are you listening? First one is MSM. MSM is sulfur, organic sulfur. You want to make sure and get it in the powder form. What MSM does is it strengthens the hair. It helps to boost collagen formation. It helps to form more keratin in the hair. It helps to strengthen the hair follicles so you have less shedding. You want to make sure and get the powder form, not the pill form, because the pill form has a lot of additives in it. They're not so great for you, so you want to just stick to the powder form. Second thing is liposomal vitamin C. I have been taking vitamin C for a long time. I take 3,000 milligrams a day. I follow the Dr. Mercola protocol. I'm not an affiliate for any of these brands. These are just what I use. And vitamin C plus MSM seems to be the jam. That's what's giving you the 1-2 punch to help everything from the inside out strengthen. You'll notice your nails will get longer, your eyebrows. My eyebrows were kind of like the last to start growing, but I did notice a difference. The hair on my legs started growing. I had to shave more. The third supplement you want to take is hydrolyzed collagen, and I do talk about this in the book a lot, so you don't have to memorize these supplements. They are in the free ebook that accompanies your purchase. If for whatever reason you didn't get that book, just send us an email, and I will make sure that you get a copy of that book. But the hydrolyzed collagen, the brand that I use is called Vital Proteins. I just get it at Target. And those three together are like magic. Now, if you are, I should say this, check with your doctor before taking any kind of supplements, especially if you're pregnant or you're lactating. You want to make sure that you get the okay from your doctor. I'm certainly not a doctor, but I just noticed that these three supplements kept coming up over and over and over again during my research when I was on my fact-finding journey to figure out what's going on with my hair. Okay, now I want to talk to you about massage. Now, I talked to you about how to apply it with the massage, and I talked to you about how important it is to be massaging at least 5 minutes a day. This is not an option, ladies. This is not, and gentlemen, this is not an option. This is something that you must do every day to stimulate that scalp. When you are using your nails or you're using tools, which I'm going to show you right now, basically, think about it as you're exfoliating your scalp, just like you would exfoliate your skin. And when you exfoliate your skin, your product can penetrate better. It's the same idea with the stimulation of the scalp. Now, like I said, you can use your fingertips, or I am a big believer in the fascia blaster. I talk about this for your skin because I use it for my neck, use it for the wrinkles here. Oh, those look like a little tree trunks, don't they? Tree rings. Well, I belong to the Ashley Black Facebook private group, and there have been so many great results using this in the scalp for hair growth. So if you want more information about that, just go to the Ashley Black Guru Facebook page, type in fascia blaster private Facebook page, and you can get in, and just type in the search bar hair growth, and you'll read about all the results that people have had with this. So I have 3 of these. I have one at my desk, I have one in the bathroom, and I have one downstairs. So when I'm sitting there watching TV, I'm massaging every part of me, and that is so important for hair growth. The next thing I want to talk to you about is the Derma Stamp. You've heard of probably derma rolling, where the rollers have little tiny needles, and this is for the face, but I use it for the scalp because I just find it's too sensitive. When you have rosacea, it's too sensitive on the face. It was for me. So like, great, I've spent this money on it, I'm going to use it for the scalp. And sure enough, I started doing some research on YouTube to see if people had done it on the scalp. And the idea behind this, again, there's little tiny needles. They don't hurt. And you just take and you boop, 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 boop. And again, the holes allow product to penetrate more. So if you really want to step up your hair growth game, you're probably going to want to invest in these tools as well. And I put, this was, I think, $20 I got on Amazon, and the face blaster was $65, but she has some great sales on Black Friday. But the last part of your homework, if you will, is affirmations. Now, if you've been following me for a long time, or you've been in any one of my private groups, I'm a big believer in affirmations to program your body for what you want. Now, there's a great book by Bruce Lipton called The Biology of Belief. Now, I'm not going to go into all of his work here because some of you might not be interested, but if you are interested in how you can program your body for health and wellness, read his book. It's completely very eye-opening. So what I have is I have a picture here. Ta-da! That's my, she's got a great body too. That's my aspiration picture and my vision board picture, if you will, of my perfect hair. And I have her taped right up to on my bathroom window, right along with the affirmation that I have enclosed on the instructional card for you. And as I'm massaging in the oil, I am looking at her hair and I'm saying the following: my hair shall grow like the finest weeds. My energy will serve as little seeds. It will grow longer and faster for all to see. To my tailbone it will grow for me. This is my wish, so it will be. Now, you might laugh at the little nursery rhyme, but it works, okay? Don't know how it works, but it works. You don't have to say the same exact thing. You can say something as simply as, my hair is growing longer and thicker, or it's growing thicker, or my hair is filling in, but it's got to be in the affirmation, the affirmative, for it to work. But it's just giving like a little blessing to your hair. And I'm all for, I'm going to pull out every trick I can to make sure that my hair looks great. So my hair results that you've seen over the past 8 months are a result of incorporating all of that the daily massage, the supplements, using the serum, using the affirmations. Now, I'm not going to lie to you and say that I've done this every single day, because I've done some traveling, and there were some days where I kicked off, but it's just like exercise. You're going to get as much out of it as you put into it. So if you expect to put this on your hair and, haphazardly, and wonder why it's not working, you're not doing anything else, that's probably why. So take it seriously, and I assure you that you are going to fall in love with your crown of glory all over again. If you have any questions about the serum or about the supplements or anything at all, just send me an email, jennifer@celticcomplexion.com. And definitely, this is the most important thing. Take a picture of your hair now as it is, okay? So you want to take it, pull your hair forward and kind of see where it falls, okay? And then take it all the way in the back, straight. And then if the crown is a concern for you, take a good picture of the crown. I did this and I was amazed to see the results. Especially, you're going to be, in the first month, you're not going to see a lot of difference. Take the next picture 2 months after you've started doing these, your new hair routine, and you'll be amazed and see how much difference you have in your hair. And then what I would do is I would take my picture every other month. I didn't take it every month, but every other month. And you can just hold them side by side, and it's absolutely amazing. And that'll be your encouragement for moving on. So that's your instructions. I wish you well with it. Again, if you have any questions, jennifer@celticcomplexion.com. And I want to hear your results. I want to hear about it. So I won't bother you about it, but I do want to hear your results. Thank you so much, and have a great day.